Hi all and welcome back to Unique Stitch Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful hat for the winter with my very favorite moss stitch. So today I'll be using this beautiful ARAN yarn and 5mm hook video, but of course you can use any yarn you like and also the recommended hook size. You will also need some scissors and yarn needle and also the measuring tape. So for today's hat we are going to start with the ribbing first. My ribbing will be 20 centimeters long, but when I fold it, it will be only 10 centimeters. So let's just start with the ribbing. Hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your two fingers. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. And we are going to chain 20. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And you are going to chain 20. So once you have your 20, we are going to work into the second stitch from your hook, and we are going to start with a single crochet. So we are going to insert into this stitch here, yarn over, bring it up, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through, and we are going to do so all the way down. Single crochet in every stitch like so. So I have 2 stitches left, one here and the last one like so. And at the end of this row, you should have 19 stitches. For the next row, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work like so. And from now on, we'll be working only into the back loops. We are going to work only into these loops here. Let me just show you. So we are going to skip this one here and straight into this loop like so, and do single crochet, 1 to the next one, and so on. And once you have only 1 stitch left, into the last stitch, I like to go under the both loops like so. So it will become much stronger. So always your last stitch, you will go under the both loops, front and back. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work. And again, we'll be working only into the back loops. And that's what you are going to do for the rest of your ribbing. Continue until you can wrap it nicely around your head, not too tight, not too loose. And in my case, I had 56 rows altogether. And how do you count the rows? You count it like this: 1 row and 2. So you have like a little roof, and you count one side and another one. So you will continue until you have as many as you need, but remember, we are going to work with the moss stitch, and moss stitch works with the even number. You need to have even number of rows. So I will have 56 for my measurements. So continue, and once you have your ribbon prepared, then we can move to the next step. And this is my ribbon ready for my head, and it's gonna look very nice. So this is my ribbon, and you should have even number of rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And remember even number, because it's very important for the next step, because now we can work on our moss stitch. I have finished there, my last row, and I went under the both loops and I chained one. And now we are ready to work on the moss stitch. First, I'm going to start with the half double into this first one here, and we will be working between and on top. As you can see, this is on top, between the rows, on top, between the rows, on top, and so on. So my first stitch will be half double, and remember, if you want more details about this moss stitch, please check this video in this corner here for more details. So you know, with the moss stitch we are going to work with any even number. So we are going to start with the half double crochet and we are going to end up with the half double crochet. To do half double crochet, we are going to yarn over, insert our hook, bring it up 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Next one will be slip stitch, like so. Next one, half double, yarn over, insert, pull through. Next one, between, slip stitch, insert, yarn over and pull through the loop like this. Next one, half double. Next one, between, slip stitch, and you will continue all the way down until you have your last half double crochet. So I have half double, then I have slip stitch, and I'm going to end up with half double because I started with half double. We are going to chain one, turn our work, and I'm ready to work my slip stitch row. So I'm going to start with the slip stitch, and of course I will end up with a slip stitch. To do slip stitch, insert into this stitch like so and do slip stitch, and next one will be half double, slip stitch and half double, slip stitch and half double. And that's what you are going to do. Ignore this because I got tangled, so I had a little problem with my yarn. So we are going to, let's just turn it this way. So we are going to continue our moss stitch all the way up until you get 25 centimeters, like so. Work until we have 25 centimeters high. And remember, first row I started with half double, I ended with half double. Second row I started with a slip stitch and I will end up with a slip stitch, and the third row will be again with a half double and you will finish with half double. Continue until you got your measurements. I have just finished my 25 centimeters. We are ready to fasten off like so, and we can sew our head together. We are going to fold it in half like this, and we are going to sew from here all the way to the other side, and you can do so with your crochet hook, slip stitching all the way, or you can prepare a yarn needle like me. I just sew it. I like to sew it like this. but you can sew it the way you like or prefer. I like to tie a knot here like this and then sew it. So you can sew like so, or you can sew like me. It's up to you. So I like to go from this side and then from this side, this side, and once you get to the top, do not cut your yarn, do not finish, because we are going to continue and we will close this part here. Okay, so once you are done, you are at the top. So we started here, we went all the way up. Do not cut off your yarn. We're going to do big stitches like this, all the way around, just under your stitches, like this. All the way around. To the end. We are ready to pull like this, so we can close our head. And you can go twice if you want. And you're gonna close it like this. And once it's closed, we can do few stitches across just to close the gap. And once you feel it's secure, then we're gonna close it like so and fasten off. Leave it longer so we can hide the ends later. Turn your head inside out, and this is our head finished. As you can see, it looks really nice. You can also add the pom-poms, any pom-poms you like. Maybe you like these furry ones, or you can create one pom-pom. I am going to show you how do I create my very quick pom-pom as well. So let's just create the pom-pom. So the way I do my very quick pom-pom, just take the yarn and like this and wrap it as many times as you want. The more you wrap it, the nicer your pom-pom will look. But don't do it too tight because we are going to take it off. Okay, so I've wrapped my yarn 100 times. And I'm going to take it off and place it like this. I'm going to cut another yarn, make it longer, and put it under right in the middle, and create a knot. You can get someone to help you. Make it twice or 3 times. And we are going to hold these and like this. cut these loops in the middle, and then just trim it. I like to go really short, but my pom pom will be really nice and thick, so it will look really nice. I'm gonna go, as you can tell already. And this is my cute little pom pom. You can still fix it, as you can see. So once you are done, you take your head, and I like to take my hook, insert the inside somewhere in the middle, like this. Bring one thread on this side, one, okay, and then one on the other side, so the pom pom will get nicely in the middle. So I have one here and one across. Okay, so I bring that side in like so. Okay, my hook is here. Hold your pom pom, turn it inside out like this. Take your pom pom and simply just tie a knot like this, so it's nice and secured in the place and right in the middle. Okay, these don't have to be too long, and make sure you hide all your ends. Later on, just going to show you the head and the pom pom right in the middle. It's slouchy, but only a little bit. So if you really want your head to be more slouchy, then you can add 5 to 10 centimeters more. And I think it looks very, very beautiful. I love this stitch. That's why so many projects with this stitch, because I want to show you that with one stitch you can create many projects. And in my case, my favorite is this one. And this is it. This is our beautiful winter hat made with this beautiful moss stitch. If you liked it, please don't forget to share this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.